Hello everybody. I recently acquired this Asus Q325UA Zenbook from somebody on Craigslist. It has a cracked screen. It's a really nice machine, so I've decided to see if I can repair it. It has an i7 Intel processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a solid-state hard drive. It is very, very thin. It's a combination laptop tablet. But the Digitizer screen is cracked, and therefore tablet mode is pretty useless because most of the screen does not respond to touch. It's clear the LCD screen is working beautifully, but the Digitizer screen on top is not. My original plan was to find just the touchscreen Digitizer panel and replace that, but I couldn't find just that panel, and now I know the reason why. The touchscreen and the LCD panel are bonded together, and this is super thin, so the ability to separate the touchscreen panel from the LCD panel is probably near impossible. If you are interested in replacing just the screen and you want to keep your old cover and camera and other circuit boards, there's a circuit board at the top, circuit board at the bottom. That wire there is running up to the camera. So if you want to keep all your old parts and just buy a new screen, which is in fact the touch screen and the LCD screen, be sure to subscribe to my channel or come back to this video. I'll try to put a link up in the upper right hand corner when I complete the video showing how to remove this panel from the cover. So I originally set out to find a new Digitizer. I ended up buying a complete lid, brand new, with the LCD screen and the Digitizer, delivered for $100. It was $90 for the part, brand new from China on Alibaba, and $10 for shipping. I ordered it on May the 5th. There's evidence of the price. There's the $100 that I paid for it. It was $90 plus $10 shipping, but ordered it on May the 4th, and I received it on June the 30th. Here's the product I received. It was very well packaged. It's brand new. Has the Asus logo on it. You have to specify whether you want blue or gray. I asked for gray. Here's the bottom of the laptop tablet. There are 10 screws around the edge. It is a 6-lobe screw that looks like this. Make sure you use the right tool. Once you remove the cover, you only have 6 more screws to remove. So you have 3 screws to remove here. Notice the foil right here that has to be removed. There's a screw that goes through that foil. So 3 screws here. Lift the foil. There's a connector under here which is going to need to be removed. I'll come back to that in a moment. On this side there are also 3 screws. They need to be removed, and this little piece of foil also has to be lifted. The way this connector right here is removed is it is unplugged straight out. You just pull it this direction. And this other connector over here is a little bit trickier. It has a latch. You see this little latch? You have to lift this latch up, and then once you lift the latch up, the connector will come out. Just like that. So pay attention to how the wires are routed. This wire comes off the hinge, runs under the tape, runs under the radio, the Wi-Fi radio. So this connector runs under those 2 wires, and then this one comes out of the hinge as well. And that's it. It's that simple. Lastly, when you put all the screws in, the screws appear to have some thread locking compound on them. Looks like it's blue, so I'm going to use some blue Loctite on all the screws. I've completed my repair, so let's see if it works. There we go. Perfect. So let's just see whether the touch screen is working. Oh yes. Touch screen's working very well. Well, I'm very happy with my repair. For $100 in parts, got a really nice tablet laptop to use. So thanks for watching. If you found my video helpful or informative, please give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.